Well, hello YouTubers. I'm pointing a camera at a camera. Okay, so what have we got here then? This is the Sanyo xacti WH1. Don't know how you say it. Xacti? I don't know. It's a dual camera. By that they mean it can take photos and videos. Wowee! How amazing is that? It's not just a camcorder, it's a dual camera. 30 times optical zoom, and it's waterproof. Up to 10 feet or 3 meters. So other information we have on the box. 2 megapixel photos. Woohoo! HD videos, 720p. High speed, sequential shot, waterproof. Face chaser, digital image stabilizer, and a 2.5 inch LCD screen and HDMI output. Woohoo! You know, this was pretty interesting when it came out, of course, back in 2009. This is very 2009 vintage. So you have some documentation here in Japanese, I believe there. Of course there is an English manual. Manual's not particularly interesting. They're going to be well written for this type of thing. There's no Chinglish or anything like that in them. Here is the software. On this disc you get Screen Capture 1.1, Arcsoft Panorama Maker, and Total Extreme for Sanyo. Total Media Extreme for Sanyo. Supports XP, SP2 and Windows Vista apparently. Woohoo! So yeah, very 2009. The charger isn't in the box because, well, it's plugged in. We have a ferrite thing for the charger, which has never been used. Another type of lead. Oh, we have a power lead for some foreign country. And we have the video cable, not HDMI, but hey ho. So here we have the camera itself. It's bright freaking yellow. Can you see that? Yeah, I bleeding hope so. If you can't see it, well, you probably need to get some glasses because, you know. Okay, so let's turn her on.
Start to the internal memory.
And it talks. I'm not kidding. The camera actually freaking talks. Turn that on again.
Start to the internal memory.
Hey, how excellent's this? See, I'll get it to talk some more. I don't think it's touchscreen. It was saying set the date earlier, and yeah, it says set the date, set the date, and all kinds of stuff like that. So why does it talk? I mean, it's almost like something to assist blind people, but then, I mean, if you're blind, then how do you really operate a video camera? I suppose certain things you can hear, and you can point the camera based on sound, but is that really that common? I mean, don't know. Anyway, so it's, you know, pretty solidly built. There are a bunch of like rubber seals and things like that, so your memory card is underneath this little lock.
Start to the internal memory.
I can't pull it up on the camera very easily. Done. Yeah, you get the idea though. There's lots of like rubber seals and things, so it's got a lock, an interlock, and then a rubber seal underneath that. There is rubber seals around all the DC in ports and stuff. I got this quite cheaply. I got paid £10 for it on eBay. The battery was supposed to be seized in it. I haven't been able to remove it, but I have applied voltage to it by the DC in jack, and it charges up absolutely perfectly with no issues. So the camera itself works totally fine. Yeah, not a bad little camera, I must say. You know, for the price of £10. Pretty cool, quirky little thing, waterproof. A bit old school now, but you know, it just has a certain charm about it. Yep, we'll test its waterproofness another day. That concludes this video.